Hey y'all, Victoria here, and today I have my January 2020 Ipsy Glam bag, finally. It's literally like the last day of January, but it's my fault for not signing up earlier. So I was a Ipsy subscriber like way back in the day, and then I wasn't really enjoying it, so I unsubscribed. But recently I've been kind of contemplating joining again. They seem to have stepped up their game, so I thought new year, new me. BoxyCharm, Ipsy, what's up? Let's sign up. So we're doing this. It's my address side. And excuse the background, we are in what will be my bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna film here in the future, but right now it's the place with the best lighting and the least amount of stuff. We are in the process of moving and renovating our house, so that's why we have this going on. And if you aren't aware, which I'm pretty sure you are if you are watching this video, but Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service. They have 3 tiers, and this is the bottom tier, lowest tier. It's the Glam bag. It's $12 a month, and you receive 5 deluxe sample size products, and they are meant to be tailored to you. They have you take a quiz to find out what things you're interested in, you know, if it's like more beauty, more skincare, things like that, or things that you just don't want to see in your bag, things that you want to see a lot in your bag. So hopefully they do a good job. I know it's kind of mixed, like some people say that they do a good job of sending them things that they are interested in, and other people say I don't think they even look at my profile at all. So we'll see how that goes. Like I said, this is my first one in a very long time, so we'll just call it my first one. And this is just the Glam bag. I did subscribe also to the Glam bag, no, not Ultimate, I'm too broke for that. I subscribed to the Glam bag Plus, but I won't be getting a January one because I signed up late. I was late to the party. So I will be getting a Glam bag and a Glam bag Plus for the month of February, and I will be doing unboxings, unbaggings. I need to stop showing the address side. Unbaggings of those. And if you haven't seen, Ipsy does come in these cute little bubble mailers. I remember back in the day they used to be like bright, like hot pink and like shiny. Those are really cute too. These are a little bit more, I don't know, the mature version of that. So let me open it up. So this is what the bag looks like. It's very cute. I really like this, and it is just a white marble print, and then it has pink, kind of like a dusty pink color for the zipper and for this thing, whatever that's called. And then the inside is pink, and it has the Ipsy logo in there. And I do have one item that I guess didn't fit in the bag, and it's just in the bubble mailer, so I'm gonna start off with that. Oh, and actually, they come with cards, I think, so we can see what we're actually getting. So the theme this month was Clean Slate, and it says, "This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you." My husband's drilling in the background. "This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone." And so the first item that I pulled out here is is it Farah, F-A-R-A-H brushes 160F face brush. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. And it kind of matches the bag this month, actually. It's almost like a white marbleized, I mean, it's not actual marble, obviously, but the brush handle looks like white marble, and then it's kind of like a rose gold color here, and then the bristles themselves are like a pink to white ombre. It does feel nice. It's pretty soft, and it's also pretty dense, so I feel like that'll be good for doing some contouring maybe, or maybe some blush application. I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. This was a full-size brush, and it's valued at $12. The next item that I pulled out is, what is this? Brooklyn and Bailey Lash Next Door in Blackout. It says it's a jet black mascara. It's not a podcast. Jet black mascara. A few coats lengthens, separates, and defines your lashes for a dramatic wide-eyed look. So, and this is a deluxe sample, and it says the value of the full-size version is $18, and the full size is 11 grams, and this one here, does it say? 5.3 grams is what we have here. Full size is 11 grams, and a full size is $18, it says. And so this is what the packaging looks like. You get a look at the wand. So that's cool. I can always use mascara, and I'm not super picky with mascaras. As long as it doesn't make my lashes look super clumpy, I don't really care, I'll use it. And the next thing is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Creamed in Sea Kissed. I guess that's the scent, I don't know. This sea-scented travel-size hand cream is made with Dead Sea minerals, which in addition to locking in moisture are known for easing eczema and psoriasis flare-ups that can worsen in cold weather. It's packed with ingredients like witch hazel and allantoin to heal, soften, and soothe dry, rough skin. And this is a deluxe sample size, and it is, let's see, 1.3 fluid ounces. A full-size version would be 3.4 fluid ounces and is $24. That's expensive for a hand cream. I like these things because I can get these like bougie, even if they're sample size products, and be like, oh yes, this is my $20 hand cream. I'm just gonna, oh, that came out like a little bubble. Let me try. It is very beachy. It's not, I was worried that it was gonna be kind of like sometimes summer scents have like a sunscreen scent to them, or like a coconut, which reminds me of sunscreen, and so I'm not like a huge fan of that. But I don't know how to describe it. It's very summery and beachy without being similar to sunscreen. And next we have the Nomad Cosmetics Nomad by Marrakesh Medina Intense Eyeshadow in the shade Desert Sands. It says the finely milled powder is made with moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for crease-proof color. Cute. Well, this is tiny. I feel like I'm gonna lose this. I think I don't have very many single shadows because I'm always afraid of misplacing them. I've bought like a couple of single shadows in the past, and I either have to keep them in like my everyday makeup box just so I don't lose them, or they're like gone forever. Oh, that's interesting. Is it meant to be like that? Is the M meant to be incomplete? Someone help me. This is what the shadow color looks like. It's like a gold, it's like a coppery gold with shimmer, and it actually kind of reminds me, in pan at least so far, of All That Glitters by MAC. This is what it looks like on the finger. And I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. And can we see that? Does it look like anything? Oh yeah, that's nice. I feel like that'll be, at least to me, that's like a kind of like a neutral shade for everyday wear. It's a little bit more amber colored than All That Glitters once it's actually swatched, but it is very pretty. So I feel like that'll be a good shadow to use for every day. I'll have to try it out. Oh, and this is a deluxe sample size. It is it is 0.05 ounces. A full size would be 0.75 ounces, and would really, it is $37 a B. Okay. we'll see, Nomad. And the final product that I have in my bag is this, let's see, I had the glare, I'm sorry. Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Date Night. Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Date Night. The box is really cute, actually. I like that. It has little stars on it. It's a cute pink color. Oh, it has the bow, the Ciate London bow on top. That's cute. And I'm trying to think if I've tried, I don't think I've tried any blushes from Ciate London. So that's exciting. To me, it's construction. It's always exciting for me to try new brands, so that's cool. Oh, and then it's this pink color, has the Ciate London logo on it. That's kind of pretty. This is what the shade looks like in pan. It's kind of like a rose gold with gold on top of it, and it's shimmery. You see if I can swatch this. It's kind of powdery, so I'm not sure about that. This is what it looks, not this finger. This is what it looks like on the finger. It's not very pigmented, to be honest. I don't know if it's just my lighting, but I didn't really pick up much on my finger. I had to rub it across the pan a couple times just to get something. And I'm gonna try swatching it on my hand, and that kind of disappeared. I mean, you can kind of see, I'm trying to cover the, like that's where it is. You can't really, let me try it on the other hand, maybe it'll stand out more. I don't know. I feel like I don't know, maybe I'm swatching wrong, but I feel like when I put it on, it just kind of disappears, and you can see like that there's powder there and that there's a little bit of shimmer, but other than that, I'm not really getting anything. So that's a little disappointing right off the bat. I do still want to try it, see if I can make it work for me. I'm a little nervous because it didn't show up on my hand, and I'm also not like, I look kind of light complected in the camera, but I'm not really that light complected, so if I try things that aren't that pigmented, it might not show up and it might just look like powder sitting on my face. So I'm a little bit worried about that, but I am gonna still try it and see how it turns out and let y'all know. And so this is a deluxe size sample, and it is 2.5 grams. So that's quite a bit. Considering the full size value, the full size product is 4 grams. So you get a little bit over half of what a full size would be, and a full size is $26. And for that quality, no ma'am. So far, at least, I haven't truly tried it on my face, so I won't talk just yet. And just one more look at the bag if you're interested. It has the little Ipsy logo stitched on, and it's pink throughout the inside. So thank you guys for watching my unbagging video. Like I said, I am subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I always want to say Ultimate, and it's like, no bitch, you're too broke for that. You don't have Ultimate. So I will be getting both of them for February, and I will be doing videos, unboxing or unbagging, whatever you want to call it, of those. I also subscribe to BoxyCharm and FabFitFun, so I will have various unboxings on my channel, as well as videos of me and my mediocre makeup skills trying out the products that I receive in the bags and boxes. So if that is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button. Join me on this journey. And if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram. Sometimes I post on my story when I get a subscription box in, so if you're interested in seeing that as well, or just interested, sometimes I post about like spoilers that I see online, so if any of that is interesting to you. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all next time.